this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 68 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. We're nearly to getting big bits together. I'm looking forward to it quite a lot next issue. For this time, we've got a little bit to do. We're only going to be putting one of the little side panels on. After looking through the magazine, looking at the fight to be worthy. It's going to be something to do with Thor, isn't it? But He-Man? Probably not. Here we go. Read all of those if you like, or to look at the pretty pictures. Definitely Thor in that though. Yeah, there you go. So yes, this is the Inner Forearm Part 9. What do they call that? They call that, I don't know what they call that. The inner right-hand side, the lower right-hand side, it basically goes around the bottom. Like we put the bracket in last time, we're putting this around half of that. Next time we've got the other half and some more assembly to do. But for now, it's easy. 3 screws to put that in place. After looking at Hela, Goddess of Death, yeah, she was in one of the films, so I'm aware of her. One page, yeah, there you go. All of those words there, look at all the words. And then Oliver. Astro, yeah, obviously more either art or writing, one of those things that he does. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get this part assembled. Yep, this is what we've got, a metal part, which is the inner forearm piece. I've got 3 screws ready for it, and we're putting that onto here. We obviously did the bracket on the top inside last time. This one goes on the inside there. Goes over a couple of pegs, but don't put screws in them. Not this end one, just the 3 in the middle there. Should line up. It feel like they're about there. And that is then going to give us final inside piece there. I'm liking it quite a lot. Obviously that's coming out this side. So let's get these screws in. See how it looks. So I'm not putting one in there, because there's going to be another bracket, the opposite side of this that goes over there will go over there, and then that screw will hold both of these together. So we've got that. One I've already done. That's the next one. There. And the final screw, if I can find it in the shadow, there it is. Over that side there. So I shall come back and tighten all of these screws up, but that gives us the interior piece good to go. I think that's just decorative lines on there. It doesn't actually do anything, but this is going to be it. So we've got one more piece to put on there, and then I think we're putting the other side onto it, as well as half the hand. So it's really coming together soon. So join me for that very, very shortly. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.